What's happening? Welcome, Wagwan, to each and every one of my viewers and subscribers. Boy, yeah, man, you see me have on my hat. Yeah, maybe I put on my hat because me just go out the door and out the door. Call my viewers and subscribers. Wanna go on with what I say. I want to say enough respect, manners, love, everything that is good for each and every one. We have a rocky 2024. We are hope for the best for 2025. Now, my viewers and subscribers, again, I want to big up Oliver Lifestyle. Go over there, check out Oliver Unfiltered, new channel, him old channel, and something wrong with it. So, in my work on it, hopefully everything will alright. Then you have who again you have? Nove, Ocean and Nove TV. Yeah, man, check them out. I remember, no pass and no check out Color Smith TV. We call it Shirley D. Yeah, man, check her out. KC Adventure TV. Check her out. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, you are going. My plan say me never did go talk on certain thing. But I want to say something. And this, me not point no finger, me just all say it. We are human beings, see? And we all the far from each other, see? And what we don't know, we just don't know. If you know, you know. But me hear and me see a video go around about one Dan. Yeah, man, one Dan. We all know say one Dan used to be up a Color Smith. Then one Dan not a Color Smith no more. Me ask myself the question, say, how comes nobody never really asks how comes or why one Dan not their colors no more? Me put it as one Dan was only a worker, a chop the bush for colors and that work done, you know. But when me sit down and me look, me see the bush, I up back again, and me see one Dan over there. So in my brain me I think and me I say, But how me stay still? Me like to investigate. Me like to ask. Me like to talk. Me like to get information. But some video I go around. And it's like the video a point finger. And the video, them a point finger pan an individual. Yeah, man, JBud me a talk, man. It's like the video I say, I wonder if JBud think he might go get too big, make inner upon JBud again. But then me ask the question, why people always think that way? Why people always have to think the negative? Why people have to think that kind of way when nobody know what a go on with one Dan, but people ready for you think what JBud good and do for one Dan. Now, my viewers and subscribers, me do my investigation. And me go tell you this. One Dan is crisp like a biscuit. One Dan is okay. One Dan is alright. The same person where Uno say, now push up one Dan, still I take care of one Dan. Still I look out for one Dan. But me tell you something. And me go tell each and every one something. YouTube, your YouTube channel is your business. It's your brand. If you understand what I say. You cannot put something, somebody, or things around your brand that going to cause your brand to lose its value. One of you just hear what me just say. Take off my hat, man. So, take off my hat, man. My viewers and subscribers, when you build your brand, you cannot put something, somebody, anybody around your brand that is going to mess up your brand, that is going to devaluate your brand. So, when we, as content creator, YouTubers, don't know another person's business, viewers and subscribers, when me telling you, say, me have people on the ground in a lot of places. Me have people on the ground in a lot of places. So when me want to know something, me go find it out, me go know it. But let me tell you something, back to the brand. When you have your brand, you see, you cannot afford to make your brand go down because you want to help somebody. You have to remember those things. So, by saying that and saying this and not saying everything is, one done is okay. One done is good. Yes, one done is good. One done is okay. One done is with JBud. One done is around JBud. But let me tell you something. Sometimes, what we don't know is a hell of a thing. Let me also say this, you see. Many times, somebody will sound so intelligent, talk so intelligent, look so intelligent, but there's another side that nobody knows, nobody sees. And that's the problem. That's why when I see something, I don't say nothing right away. I sit, I listen, and I watch to see what's going on. That's what me do upon Rodney's Kitchen and Lifestyle. By doing videos, asking about one done is good. Oh yeah, don't get me wrong. I think it is good to be asking about where is one done. But when you start to point finger and start to talk about how one done was a good singer and one done would be such a big this and big that and one done could run his own YouTube channel and all those things, nobody. I don't know if you know the word, say, you see my face, eh? But you can't see the art. You don't know what they're on the art. I see one done as a very intelligent guy. Yeah, man. Very nice dude. But at the same time, none of us really know anything else about one done. But what me think is wrong is when you point finger. Because remember, when one done was over at Colors and one done missing from over Colors, nobody asked any question. But my viewers and subscribers, there's a problem. And this is something that me I talk about. And me have it in another video. You know, I believe the hatred the carry feelings need to really stop here. Because pointing finger is just not work. I'm gonna go say this. I do a video about Progress the other day. And the reason why I do the video was because JBud said something. Not JBud. Progress said something out of my mouth when me think, in my opinion, and a lot more people come here, people talk about it, wasn't right. It's like JBud was Progress. I blame the victim. So me do a video. Me now go just take up myself and do video about a YouTube content creator just like that. No. And me think it have become a problem now where me not think if you go. Because if one done over JBud and now in a JBud video them, it shouldn't be a problem to nobody. No, it shouldn't be a problem. And if you make a video, and when you make the video, you ask a question, where is one done? That's a good question, you know. But then make another video, say somebody say. And then you start pointing finger. It has show a different part. It has show a different thing. But let me tell everybody, one done all right. And I want to say this. The next video, yeah man, one done I go in at the next video. some my viewers and subscriber. Sometime, I don't know if you want to see this video before you see that video. I want to go see my video first before you see JBud video. But anyway, go vice versa, you go realize, say, everything Chris and Cook and Curry with Wandan and JBud. It's just that business is business. A brand is a brand. A man have to look about him brand and not just think about another man. Because you cannot make another man or another woman mess up your brand where you build. Point blank. Remember that. And when me tell you, say me have people on the ground, me have people on every ground. The only ground me not have people on is which part them pshoop, 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 pshoop. I go on. Me not nobody on them ground there. Yeah, pan them ground there, me not nobody on them ground there. I joke. Me have people on them ground there, but my channel is not about some of them thing where I go on. Me take on myself from them. But my viewers and subscribers, it is good to ask questions. It is good to want to know what is happening to people and what is happening to others. But it's not good to point finger. It is not good to throw shade at people smartly and act like you're the smartest person on the earth. Because people watch your video, watch our video, and know when share that show and know who share that show at. Yeah man, as simple as you may see it, as soon as you make the video, if you're not calling him, people know who you attack. But again, the share them must stop and people must stop pointing finger. Stop pointing finger at others when you don't know nothing about them business or know about what go on. Because, what me I tell you right now, everything good. with one done still did there. One done still did that didn't work. One done work more than people may believe. One done gone all about him business, gone get him work, gone get him job, gone do him thing. That is one done. I doubt if sometimes JBud know which part one done there until that one done come get some food. You never know, me know all them sitting there. Yeah, man. But anyway, my viewers and subscriber, no say a word. Pray for everybody. Pray that everybody have a nice Christmas. Pray that everybody have a nice time. And also, pray that each and every one have a nice life. And hope and pray say everybody live to see 2025. And remember, my viewers and subscriber, as me all leaving with, one done is okay. One done and JBud still a link. One done, JBud, Murphy, still a link. Them, I cook them food. You soon see video come out. Remember me tell you that. When you see the video, you are going to ask yourself, how did Rodney know that? How me know all them things? Anyway, now say a word. Peace and love, and my viewers and subscriber, manners and respect. Me there to find out the information and tell her the information the right way, the only way. Peace.